Hey foodies! Ever wondered why egg salad has such a special place in our hearts? Stick around as we dive into the exciting world of egg salad and uncover the reasons behind its extraordinary popularity. I am Olivia and you are watching Blogging Good Food. Whether it's grandma's secret recipe or memories of backyard picnics, egg salad has this magical ability to transport us to simpler times. From classic sandwiches to gourmet wraps, egg salad knows how to adapt. It's like the chameleon of the food world. With just a few ingredients, you can whip up a delicious egg salad. It's the go-to meal when you want something tasty without the fuss. Packed with protein, it's a favorite among fitness enthusiasts who said healthy can't be delicious. People love sharing their creative twists. It's not just a meal, it's a social media sensation. When life gets tough, egg salad is there for a comforting embrace. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. Who wouldn't love that? Egg salad has become a canvas for culinary exploration, embracing global flavors. It's a dash of sriracha for a spicy kick or curry powder for an exotic twist. The world is bringing its diverse taste to this humble dish. A sunny day, a checkered blanket, and a basket filled with perfect picnic companion, egg salad. Its portability and ability to stay delicious even after hours make it the MVP of outdoor feasts. No wonder it's a must-have at every picnic. Innovation is at the heart of egg salad evolution. From trendy food trucks to five-star restaurants, chefs are pushing the boundaries. Think truffle-infused egg salad or avocado lime remixes. The culinary world can't get enough for reinventing the classic dish. And there you have it, folks. The exquisite reasons why egg salad has won our hearts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty insights. I'm Olivia, signing off from Blogging Good Food. Until next time, stay excited about food.